So SYTECH are one of the longest serving forensic service providers in the UK. We primarily provide digital forensics capabilities to a number of organisations, but we also provide consultancy-based work, training and cybersecurity.
As a digital forensic technician at SYTECH, I take all the cases in, analyse the devices, double check them and make sure they're compliant, and prepare them for analysis and imaging.
So being a digital forensic analyst, primarily work in indecent images, children casework, whilst we do also work in other various casework such as rape, murder and so forth. Part of my role as well is being an expert witness in court.
The course was so friendly and the teachers were so supportive and so honest about what the industry is really like. It really prepared me.
Experience of the course was brilliant. In USW we actually worked as a team on certain projects, but then coming into the actual field of digital forensics, team building, team bonding is a vital thing as well. Doing all the different bits with steganography, using the various tools, FDK as well, software, it does give you a good insight into what you'll be doing in the future, so I would highly recommend.
SYTECH supports the students at the University of South Wales in multiple ways, whether this be through the employer events, which allows us to discuss potential opportunities with students, or then through producing guest lectures on certain subjects that are requested of us.
We did CyberX, which was a big networking event where lots of companies from industry came in. They gave us all their contacts and just networked with us basically, and that's how I found out about SYTECH.
The partnerships between the industry and academia is really key in closing that skills gap going forward. There are a number of key issues across digital forensics that we face day to day which still haven't been rectified. And if we can assist in the university learning this to students, then that produces us better graduates to take on our roles.
So if anyone was looking to do a career in digital forensics, I would highly recommend it because it gives you a different perspective in life. My advice would be do some research as well. So if you're looking to go into mobile forensics, for example, like me, maybe look into the differences between Android, iOS and the different devices types, but also what they're capable of as well. But even so, if you could even reach out to someone who works in the field, because they might be able to tell you a thing or two as well.